아무것도 전혀. Again, 아무것도 전혀. What does it mean? If you would notice, the word in red letters is 전혀. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about 전혀. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 321. 전혀. Again, it's 전혀. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is 전, second syllable is 여. Pronounce it with me. 전혀. 전혀. The meaning of the word 전혀 is totally or absolutely. It could also be interpreted as at all. But this is more likely used as a negation. You'll learn more about that later. But for now, let's learn how to write 전혀 in Hangul. So this is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable 전, we need to draw first a jiut character followed by an all character followed by a neon character. And then for the second syllable 여, we need to draw first a hiu character followed by a 여 character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these two syllables to form the hangul of the word 전혀. Now, let's try looking at this. It says nothing at all. So again, the expression is nothing at all. This could be translated in Korean as 아무것도 전혀. Again, 아무것도 전혀. And 전혀 is our word for today. So 아무것도 here means nothing. Again, 아무것도 means nothing. So this is a negative term. And 전혀, as we have learned a while ago, is used to say at all, absolutely, or totally. So basically, 전혀 is more of indicating the degree of something. And since it is paired with the term 아무것도, it amplifies the negativity of the term. So when we say 아무것도 전혀, it means nothing at all. So looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago, at the beginning of this video, we already know by now that 아무것도 전혀 means nothing at all. And with that, you've just learned 전혀. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 311 to 320. And don't forget, our word for today, word number 321, it's 전혀, which means absolutely. The first word for our review is word number 320, it's 천천히, which means slowly. Next word is 모르겠어, which means I don't know. Next word is 생각해, which means I think. Next word is 대단해, which means awesome. Next word is 행복해, which means happy. Next word is 예뻐요, which means pretty. Next word is 비싸요, which means expensive. Next word for our review is 식당, which means restaurant. Next word is 은행, which means bank. And the last word for our review is word number 311, 받다. It is a verb which means to receive. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.